Cancer, this is your channel messages for the 11th to the 13th of July. Cancer, your channel cards are Shark, the Fool card, the Magician, and Cassette. So I'm getting somebody is trying to pin something on you. They're not going to try to pin a crime on you. Cassette could be something about recordings. So somebody might be recording your conversations. They might have a wire on, okay? What else I was getting? I was getting abandonment. Somebody wanted to leave something or abandon something. Shark, I'm getting if you abandon something and it's left unclaimed, then somebody can cash out on your work because it has no so-called ownership. Nobody claimed the work, they never claimed it. Shark, all right, the idea or collecting the money. We have the Fool card and the Magician. I'm getting them why you abandon something. I'm getting a lot of witches are working diligently and creatively to make sure that you don't return somewhere, return to something. I'm getting a curse is kind of broken, you know. I'm getting if somebody did curse you, I'm getting the curse get lift. I don't know what you do, but I'm getting you did something and a curse is lift. I'm getting all of a sudden your life is falling back into place. You might have been on a dry spell for like years, like 5 years. I'm getting after 5 years, something just, and your life is just, it can take up movement again. Something came to a halt, all right? I'm getting something about a cassette, a videotape. It could be something about VHS or a DVD. Let's go ahead and go to read it. I'm getting someone is, they're literally like doing spell work and witchcraft in the fucking mornings, in the nights. First card out, to have the 8 of, yeah, I'm getting something about your work. You're not supposed to return to this job, whatever this is. Maybe you're supposed to lose your abilities, lose your skills. Or something about, stop doing, there's something about a job that you specialize in. You're going to stop doing it and take on something else. Or I'm getting somebody want you abandon something so them can claim it. We have a 10 of Cups. I'm getting is a Pisces or something about your family. We have the King of Swords. We have the Chariot, and we also have the 9 of Cups. Alright, so I'm getting something about Cancer, you're supposed to be getting engaged to somebody. I'm getting 10 of Cups, which is a man and kids. And I'm getting something about an engagement. Are you finally proposing or marrying the mother of your child? Or I'm getting you have a woman who you live with kids, Cancer. And I'm getting you're engaged to somebody over here. I'm getting something about a Cancer police officer. I'm getting a police officer. You're engaged to somebody. I'm seeing 2 women. One woman you're engaged to and another woman who you have the kids with. I don't know if you're marrying the woman you have kids with finally after having kids, or I'm getting you're going to leave her. I'm getting you and your wife run a business. I don't know if you don't work at the same place. I'm getting something about you saying you want, I don't know what this is. I'm getting you get engaged. Maybe you're there with this woman for years and you have kids with her. No, the engagement question will come up. And some bitches don't get a fucking hint because you're with the guy, he never ever wanted to propose to you or had the inclination to propose to you. And then you're asking him about proposing to you. You know why? Somebody ever come to you and ask you, you want Venus? You want Venus? Yeah, the planet Venus. You want it? You know why people don't ask you that? Because you'll never fucking get it. So now you ask this man about proposing, and you pressure the man. You're going to get a shut up ring. And if him not already a fuck on you, which is why I'm never proposed to you, now you want him commit to you. You just, listen, we've been together for so long and we have kids. I mean, why don't you want to marry me? You're going to force if you put a ring on your finger. No, you're going to be locked in a contract with that man because you're only locked to him by kids right now. You're going to be locked to him by a contract and he's still going to fuck on you. Because you're so fucking delusional as to why the fuck him never marry you yet. I know you're going to marry him, you're going to force him to marry you. And he don't want to. No, he's going to humiliate at the wedding or you're not going to have a nice wedding at all. He's going to say him no money. And then he will fuck on you because he's not happy. I know him is a married man. And do you think him going to wear him ring every day and him not propose to you? Him get 2 kids. The problem is 2 packs of sugar. He got what he wanted out of you already. Now, some man will get what they want out there and left you. At least the man who gets what he want out there stayed, which is great. The problem is he not getting a ring. Him not want to marry you. Him will live with you, and him will live with you for the sake of the kids. Him not going to go down an aisle with you. Him not in love, him don't love you. And I see men who say them love women, do things to women, like abandon them. Me getting him will there with you. Me getting him work, him come home and provide for you, but me getting him love somebody else. Me getting him in love with a Cancer or I'm in love with a Pisces. Now, me don't know how it's gonna work if him live with you, have kids with you, everything, but him a tell, me don't know if the woman over here know about you, or him a tell her, say, I'm gonna leave you because him not married to you, him married to her. We have the Three of Cups, but me getting your man's hoeing. So I'm getting it's not the first time him fucking on you. Him been fucking on you. Him been, you can't search your man phone. You ask him about blood clot ring. He ring what him not bring up to you. Ask him to see him phone. Can you search your man phone? But you want a ring from him? 10 of Cups is the 6 of Cups. And me getting in the past, yes. Okay, so me getting in the past, he has cheated on you already. Multiple times. Or you caught him slipping up with girls. And me getting now, after kids, after your body change, after everything, after him know you inside and out, you're going to say to him to prove that him love you, him have to marry you, for show these other bitches that he was fucking on you on, that you're the one he selected. Him a got selected like a blood clot Pokemon, but Ash Ketchum never only had Pikachu. That nigga was trying to catch Mewtwo, bitch, right? King of Swords is the 6 of Pentacles, and you're not gonna get nothing. No, you're going the same way how you were before you got a ring. You're gonna be the same broadcast bitch after you get the ring. You just gotta have a ring. I know you're pressuring for your ring. How much you think him gonna spend on the ring? What you are pressuring him for? You think him going to go all out? You're probably going to invite him ex to the wedding, like all type of weird ass because you are forcing for your ring. Girl, if you wanted to be a wife, you should have been that and not a baby mother. You can't be a baby mother. Listen to me, nothing in life will keep a man. You should know this. Even if you decide to walk a pilgrimage for 33 years and be birthed out of a virgin vagina, that will not keep God from saving you when it comes on to exile. Jesus Christ died. Nothing can keep a man happy. Nothing in fucking life. So you should fucking know. You asking a man for a ring after your body weight went up, after you have kids for him, but me getting him now left here, you know, but him cheating on you though. So you're there with a cheating man. You ask him for a ring, no, you're going to be locked in a contract with a cheating man. But me getting you been forgiving him already, so it's no different. You just want to show the other bitches that you're the one him selected, okay? I go to the grocery store and select potatoes all the fucking time. Not all the potatoes get selected. We have the Queen of Cups, and we also have the Knight of Swords. I'm getting you just left this man, him have kids, him have everything, and run go propose or marry this girl. I'm getting your kids were not at the wedding. I'm getting the whole of them girls here is talking about how your man who you just left, or your man who you wait, him engage to another girl, or might get another girl a ring. I don't know what is. Me getting the other woman, I don't know if she have kids, or if she have kids, me getting kids them grown up. Me getting your kids small. Yeah, the Empress. Me getting your kids are small. Your kids tiny. Me getting the other girl who have kids. Me getting her kids, as in maybe there's no kids around. So maybe this is something about your man, him feel like another time fame. I'm not saying that's a good reason to cheat or to step out on you, but that could be it. So your man work 12 hours a day and you talk to him about fucking marriage, bitch. Marriage. Him work 12 hours a day, 6 days a week. You have kids with him. And now you're talk about marriage. When am I gonna have time for be a husband? Because I would think if you're married, that's the time to slow down. Yeah. How about you not stay that late at the office? How about you come home for dinner? We have a 7 of Swords, we have the Moon card, and we also, and him have a baby with another, brody, we don't know what this year want. The Fool card 2 times. So him been fucking on you, you forgive him. him have a baby with you, him just proposed to a girl and me getting him have a secret child somewhere else. We had a full car 2 times. Sweetie, that nigga won't leave. You should, or you are going to have to make a decision. He will leave, but he's going to come right back. How do you expect a man to respect you when you don't respect yourself? You expect a man to take it seriously about cheating on you when you don't even take yourself seriously. You're waiting, you're staying. Bro, him know him have get trained. And he can tell you the world, the sun and the fucking moon. He can tell you anything he wants in your life to make you stop crying, to make you have sex with him again, to make you hold on to the memories what you and him have and the kids. Sweetie, he'll never, is that what you want? You want this man who you've been with for years and you never marry him and he never marry you and you live with him and you have kids with him and him work long hours and he been fucking on you and you've been forgiving him. Now you want a ring? Is that what you want? You want to be his wife? You'll never fucking get it. Not because you don't deserve it, because you have already trained him wrongly. And he knows that your boundaries is basically mountains for him to fucking climb when he wants to go on a hike. Because you ain't going nowhere, sweetie. And him know that. That's why I can't do what I wanted to you. That's why your tears mean nothing. You better wise the fuck up, sweetie. The MILFs are taking over. You think your husband, him fucking on you with another girl who have kids. If he was fucking on you with a girl who never have kids, you could have said, okay, maybe he missed the body before kids. But brody, he's you fuck. We have a number 2. You have 2 kids. We have Capricorn. Someone's a Capricorn. We have Cancer. Cancer, your man a fuck on you. Or you're the girl who's fucking this man. Or you're the man. Cancer. Yeah, we're doing your reading. We have Pisces. Not sure who's a Pisces, but I'm getting a Pisces. One more. We have religious agenda, and we also have mental health. I'm gonna leave it here until next time. Bye.